Windows have always played a crucial role in architectural aesthetics, functionality, and energy efficiency. In Doral, a city known for its tropical climate, vibrant neighborhoods, and diverse architectural styles, windows do more than just let in light. They shape the feel, function, and efficiency of every building they grace. Whether you're renovating a home, building new, or considering upgrades, understanding the latest window trends can help you make informed choices that elevate both the style and functionality of your property. Energy efficiency. First, Doral residents face significant heat throughout the year, making energy-efficient windows a top priority. Modern energy-efficient windows reduce energy consumption, keep indoor spaces cooler, and ultimately lower utility bills. Key features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled panes minimize heat transfer, reflecting harmful UV rays and insulating the home. This is particularly vital for Doral homeowners, as energy costs can be high due to air conditioning demands. Homeowners in Doral are increasingly choosing energy-efficient windows not just for the cost savings but for their positive environmental impact. Sustainability is more than a buzzword. It's a commitment to eco-friendly living and reducing your carbon footprint. Impact-resistant windows. Given Doral's susceptibility to hurricanes and strong storms, impact-resistant windows are becoming a standard choice. These windows are designed with layers of shatterproof glass and strong, resilient frames to withstand extreme weather conditions, offering a vital layer of protection. This trend isn't just about safety. Impact-resistant windows provide peace of mind for homeowners, reduced insurance premiums, and can even increase property values. Beyond safety, impact-resistant windows help reduce outside noise, perfect for homes near busy roads or bustling neighborhoods, offering a quieter, more peaceful interior. Expansive glass and minimalist frames. Modern Doral architecture often emphasizes clean lines and indoor-outdoor living, leading to a demand for expansive glass and minimalist window frames. Large glass panels create an open, airy feel while maximizing natural light. Minimalist frames, which reduce the bulk of traditional window frames, allow for a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, making it feel as if nature is just within reach. Sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and even corner glass windows are gaining popularity, creating a contemporary, luxurious ambiance while offering breathtaking views of Doral's unique surroundings. Black window frames. For a bold statement, black window frames are making a statement in modern and contemporary Doral homes. Once considered unconventional, black frames now offer a striking contrast that highlights windows as architectural elements. This trend works well with a variety of styles, from modern to farmhouse to industrial, and lends an elegant, sophisticated edge. The dramatic aesthetic impact of black frames transforms windows from purely functional elements into design focal points. Homeowners love the versatility. Black frames work equally well for creating modern, edgy looks or highlighting traditional elegance. Smart windows and automated solutions. Technology is everywhere, and windows are no exception. Smart windows offer automation, where you can adjust window tint, open or close shades, or control ventilation with the touch of a button or voice command. Homeowners in Doral are increasingly adopting smart windows to improve convenience, security, and energy efficiency. These automated solutions are particularly beneficial in a sun-drenched environment, as they can optimize natural light and heat gain based on the time of day or season. This means increased comfort, better energy savings, and a more personalized home environment. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainable building materials have become essential in Doral's architectural designs, and windows are no exception. Modern window frames made from sustainable wood, recycled aluminum, or UPVC provide eco-friendly alternatives without compromising on durability or aesthetics. Eco-conscious homeowners are opting for these materials as part of a larger commitment to sustainable living and reducing their environmental impact. Custom window designs. Doral's diverse culture and style preferences make custom windows a desirable option. Custom shapes, stained glass, and unique frame designs allow homeowners to express their personality through their windows. Whether it's a nod to traditional Spanish influences or sleek contemporary styles, custom windows bring character and individuality to any property. Conclusion. In Doral, windows are more than just architectural features. They shape the home's environment, protect its residents, and define its style. From energy efficiency and impact-resistant designs to bold black frames and smart technology, the latest window trends blend beauty, safety, and innovation. Upgrading your windows is not just a functional decision but a chance to enhance your living experience, boost property value, and express your unique style. So, if you're considering a change, explore these trends and bring new life to your space with windows that matter.